Tuloy ang NBA offseason. Mike Conley will go to the Boston Celtics on a 1-year contract. At 38 years old, siya ang 14th player in NBA history to reach 20 seasons. So, matik naman yung move na to is para maging steady yung Celtics. Merong calming hand sa backcourt yung kanilang depth chart. Tsaka galing siya sa season na nag-provide pa rin ng high-level floor leadership sa Minnesota Timberwolves. Dagdag backcourt rotation din, tsaka upgrade sa basketball IQ, court vision at playoff-tested poise. Kilala natin siya bilang ultimate professional during his time with the Grizzlies, Jazz at sa Wolves. His ability to organize an offense without turning the ball over is mga kailangan ng playoff teams sa NBA. Next, another one for Boston ay si Mitchell Robinson, 3-year, $47.4 million contract. Ito, hindi magagalit ang mga Knicks fans kasi he deserve it. Hindi niya iniwan ang New York nung panahong ano pa lang yung roster nila. Pero sa time na to is walang magagalit. Time to get the bag. Nakatulong na siya sa championship and the Knicks can't give him the contract he deserves. Kaya it's all good. Good team pa rin naman yung napuntahan niya kasi kailangan ng big man eh. Lalo na yung mga kalaban sa East, merong Embiid, Twin Towers of Cavs. Tsaka game changer siya sa defensive end, elite rim protector, and an absolute monster on the glass. Both ends of the floor yan. Nung finals nga, pinasok siya to secure a very important rebound and he got it. Kaso ibang dimension yung mabibigay niya sa Celtics dahil wala siyang shooting. Yung philosophy nila, 5 out palagi. Diba dati? Kristaps, tapos Al Horford. But, let's see. Next, para sa Brooklyn Nets, Mo Wagner, 2-year, $19 million contract. Actually, surprise to, knowing na magkasama na sila ng kapatid niya sa Magic. Pero, NBA pa rin to. Kung mas maganda yung opportunity para sa kanya sa Brooklyn Nets, which is, yes, nawala si Nick Claxton, kaya they need to replace him with his energy, much needed veteran edge also. Kung healthy siya, he is an interior scorer and can also stretch the floor. 32.3% from the 3-point distance. Concern lang naman sa kanya is yung kanyang health kasi over the last 2 seasons, 66 games lang itong nakapaglaro since his ACL in 2024. Pero bago yung injury, best basketball of his career in Orlando. 13 points per game on 56% shooting. Pero naka-low risk, high reward naman yung net. So, good signing pa rin overall kasi they need to contend with MPJ and Randle. Next, what a pick from Indiana Pacers. Kelly Oubre Jr., 2-year, $17 million contract. Kasi nga, nawala si Benedict Mathurin sa kanila. So, sakto yung dating niya, plus mas experience pa siya to solidify yung kanilang depth. Tsaka, good deal yung nakuha. Sa kanyang 3 years sa 76ers, iba-ibang role na yung nagawa niya eh. Nag-average ng 14.1 points and 5 rebounds, shooting 36% sa 3-point distance. High motor na bagay sa fast-paced system ng Indiana pag bumalik na si Haliburton. Definitely an upgrade para sa Pacers. Proven na to pag ginamit mo sa second unit. Can also create his own shot, tsaka defensive activity niya is okay. He can handle tough assignments. Wala lang sa picture yung Indiana last season, pero with Haliburton coming back, plus with the addition of Zubats, ready na ulit ang Pacers. And that's all for this one. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. I will now step back. Bye-bye! More to come.